Hello, within this video I wanted to share how to set up lead pages and using your Easy Webinar Registration Widget. Easy Webinar has two options, a button and a widget, or just the widget. I find it personally easier if I use a ClickFunnels button and then add in a widget and then have that button open up in a lightbox and then add the widget only into that lightbox. This way, the button can be easily editable and controlled within lead pages because you're using the lead page button. When using our button, you might need to add in additional HTML coding to get it to center within the element that you're placing it in. So it just becomes easier to use lead page button. And I'm going to walk through the steps on how to add in a lead page button as well as what to do on how to get it to open up in a lightbox, which is a lead box within lead pages, add in the code and preview. It's relatively simple. First, you need to start off by going into your lead pages and you're going to create a new template. You need to select a drag and drop template because drag and drop offers the ability to utilize HTML elements. All right, so it doesn't matter which one I choose. I'm just going to go ahead and preview this one, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click on use this template. Let's call it test 1, 2, 3, all one word. Click continue. Hopefully this hasn't been used before. And then once it opens up, you're going to be right in the page. And where you see all these different boxes, these are different elements, right? So here's a button that was already added. If there's no button added, you can go over here to the widgets, page layout, styles, tracking. We're going to click on widgets. And then within here, we have buttons. You can left click and you can drag this button right over and we can just stick it right here. It's full width. If I wanted it to go into the same element as this button right here. All right, it's not playing nicely. It's not letting me put it into that same element as that reserve your spot. So I'm just gonna leave it the way where it is. So anyway, if we click on this now we have the ability to change its coloring. Okay, if we wanted to make it red, we can. As far as the text goes, we can make the text any color we want. Make the text bigger. Add any spacing to make it large or tall, whole nine. All right, so I'm not going to get into too much on how to design this button or what to do with it. If we click in it again, we're going to click on this chain link here. Okay, we want to select lead box. So we're going to click on lead box. All right. Here we want to trash this, delete this my lead box. So that way there's nothing in here. We're going to create a new lead box. Now there's all these elements that are within this lead box for forms and all that. We want to start deleting things and cleaning this up. Delete this. Okay, so now we just got this. Now we just it's a double. So it's a double. So let's go ahead and make this color. Let's go with no color. It's transparent. Okay. So let's go to Easy Webinar. Well, no. Let's go back. We need to go back into the layout widgets and we need to grab this HTML. Yeah, I didn't want to do that. All right, let's add a section, a single section. Let's move this into the full section, and then we can trash that one. Because the other one was, it was 2 columns. I just wanted the single column. So now we can go to Easy Webinar. Now we can go click on, I don't want to edit the event. Whenever you save and publish, we'll open up publishing options. I'm simply just going to go to publishing options. I'm going to click on the widget, select event registration widget only. I'm going to make my edits within here, including anything within the advanced form settings to change any of the default text. Once I have all my edits done, including even possibly adding in a custom thank you page redirect. Once everything's done, now I can click on generate embed code, click on copy embed code, go to lead pages, click within here, and paste in that code. Click save. Now we're going to publish it. The page is published. Let's go and preview the page. So now you have 2 buttons. This one doesn't do nothing because we didn't set it up. The big red one is the one we set up. Click on it, and there you go. Your lead box pops right up. It's got a transparent background. You can have a white background in here if you want. I just leave it transparent because that way it pops up nice and clean. But there's some editings you can do to where this is darkened a lot more if you want, depending on the colors that you use. But it's that simple to add the registration widget into any lead page created page that you create. All right. Have a great day.